This is the foldable Bluetooth keyboard. Now, I've been using this product for a while, so I wanted to share with you my experience so far. This is indeed a pocket-sized keyboard, which makes it ideal for carrying around if you need to do some work remotely. To have a better understanding of how large it is, it's pretty much the same size of an iPhone, a bit wider and slightly thicker. So you can probably fit it in a normal size pocket in your jacket or something like that. Underneath the keyboard you have some non-slip pads to keep it in place on a slippery surface, since the product is really light. Also, once you fold it, the keyboard is kept closed by some magnets, so you don't run the risk of breaking it if you carry it with other objects. To use it, it's very easy. You just have to turn this switch on and then press on this button next to it, and it will automatically pair with your device. Now, the first time you do this, it might ask you to insert some pairing code, so watch your mobile device for any prompts you might get. The battery is being charged through this micro USB port, and from what I can tell so far, it lasts for over a week, at least in my case. The keys are large enough, so it's easy to type on them. They are pretty much the same size like on a laptop, maybe more like a notebook. However, some of them are more narrow since they overlap with this part where the keyboard is split, like the T and the V on this side and the D and F on the other. So at first it might seem a bit strange to use, but you get used to it after a while. It's not such a big deal. Another thing I really like is the fact that you can use it on different operating systems like iOS, Android or Windows. But most of all, I really like this touchpad, which supports gestures as well. So you can, scroll up and down, swipe left and right, switch from one app to another and things like that, which is really handy. So overall, I believe this product is truly worth buying if you are looking for a foldable Bluetooth keyboard to carry around with you.